I'm out here on a real short boondocking adventure. Hope to get some birds. We had a cold front that just came through, and now it's warming up again, and that's usually a good time for birds to come out. So I'm going to go out on this side of the river like I was the other night, but this time I'm looking for a blue heron. I'd love to get maybe a hawk in flight. And then maybe some of the migratory birds, some geese, or if I was real lucky, I'd like to get some camerons. Sometimes when I'm boondocking, especially at night when I'm all by myself, I start to have mind games. I've been doing this for a long time, but I still get a little nervous. I'd like to know what's around me. And I have several friends that they do car camping and they do just wild camping, and they have the same challenges. They don't like to be surprised, and I don't blame them. I want to share something with you that I think may be a solution. When I was still on active duty and we'd go to the field, we had a perimeter radar system that would give us an alert if someone was moving into camp, or it might be an animal. One time we were down near South Africa on a mission, and the lions encircled our camp and started oofing at one another like they had prey, and we were on a lot of alert during that time. But it was the perimeter radar systems that really helped us out. This is a system by LetWeSaf, and it's a radar motion alarm. Open it up and let you see in the side of it. It's a complete system. It has its user's manual, and then it has the receiver, and it has the radar unit itself. Sometimes it's called a prober because it's probing the area. They're both about the size of a deck of playing cards. They fit well in your hand. Very well built, plastic, weather sealed, waterproof, and very simple. Probe has two buttons on it. One is the on-off button and the other is the pair button. The receiver has a few more buttons. On-off button is on the side, and then once you turn it on, you can set up to 6 of these devices, and you can set up a perimeter around your campsite. But one for my little area is sufficient. And then you assign each of the probes a number, and then you pair it. Once you do that, it shoots a beam out. It's radar. It'll shoot a beam out that's about 10 feet wide and 40 feet deep in sort of an elliptical. Now you can tailor that, but that's a perfect for my setting here. And I can set the radar to sort of monitor my car. If anyone else is messing with it when I'm sleeping, it will give me an alert. It took me a little bit of practice to get this thing where it would operate, but that was my fault because it's really simple. So the way it operates is you turn both the devices on. You just push the button in, and you'll see this will flash blue and this flashes blue. And then you assign the number that you want this to be. I'm going to push number 1, and then you hit probe pair, probe pair. Now it's paired up, and once you set it up, that's the alarm that you'll get. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set this over here. I'll set this right here to monitor my car, and it should monitor my entire car. Let's test it out. Well, you can put it inside the car. That won't affect it from being able to receive the signal from the device. So I'll put this in here. There it is. As I'm walking around my car, The device is way over there. It gives me a complete coverage of my car out here. It's pretty cool. It's pretty simple. Gives you an extra feeling of security when you're out here. Well, I got to get up early in the morning, try to get some photos during that golden hour when the sun's just coming up and the animals are starting to move about. And so in order to do that, I'm going to go ahead and shut down for tonight. Knowing that the perimeter is secure and being monitored by my LetWeSaf radar system, I think I'll sleep well tonight. So, I'll see you in the morning. Good night. Good morning. Well, I gotta say that this system really works well in my car. I've slept well. It's very comfortable. And I can really stretch and fill the whole back seat up. Now, I've got phases 1 and 2 complete. The next thing I've got to do is build my kitchen. And I'll start working on that and do a series of videos of the kitchen build out to bring you with me on that. But for now, I'm going to get up, see if I can get some pictures, and if I do, I'll share those with you. Well, good morning. It was a beautiful morning. Rested well last night, and I got out by the water, and there were a few birds that I could get these few pictures of them. Let me share them with you. Now it's time. I got to get back to the house. Got chores to do. So until next time, stay safe, stay healthy, stay on the path. God bless you.